Hey car fans, I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com, and this is another episode of CarSoup Car Closeups, or as we like to call it, C3. So Chevrolet was nice enough to lend us this Silverado 1500 for us to do a review with. Now the Silverado's been out for many years and it's available in all sorts of different configurations. The 1500 like this, there's a 2500, a 3500, this one's a 4x4. But you know, when it comes to trucks, I have to admit, this 1500 has kind of been a mixed bag of nuts. Now there's some things I really like about it, but there's others that, well, frankly, kind of left me scratching my head. But let's start off with the good stuff first. One of the first things that everyone who has seen this truck has told me is they think the truck is smiling at them, that it has a big old grin on its face. And there are certainly reasons to grin with this Silverado 1500. One of the things that sets this Silverado Sport apart from all the others is this thing is tricked out with what they call the Black Pack. Now that is not to be confused with the Rat Pack or the Brat Pack. Black bow tie, 22-inch black wheels, black tubular side rails. And look at this, another black bow tie. A truck in its natural habitat, a campground. Seriously though, this Silverado does have the heavy-duty towing package. You'd be able to haul a lot of camping gear, plus your camper, a boat, or any number of toys that you wanted to take with you. One of the nicer features about the Silverado is the built-in step on the bumper that makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the bed. The Silverado Sport Edition also comes with a sprayed-in bed liner and 4 tie-down points, 2 on each side of the box. So one of the things that first caught my eye, and not in a good way, about the truck is how plasticky the thing kind of felt inside. I mean, it's everywhere I look, there's hard surfaces. One of the other things that I don't like about the way this truck is outfitted is the fact that there's no stereo controls on the steering wheel. Now the screen's over here, and frankly, if I wanted to change stations, I've got to take my eyes off the road. I've got a car coming at me right now. That's the last thing that I want to do. But I'd have to take my eyes off the road, look over here, and figure out where on the touchscreen to press to change the channels. So we've had the Silverado for a week, and it's been a lot of fun to drive around, but it's not been entirely fun. The transmission seems to me to be a little bit bulky or a little bit hesitant, especially around 46, 47 miles an hour. If I have to get off of the accelerator a little bit right then and jump back on, it just kind of lurches. It doesn't make a really smooth shift. So to sum up the review of the Silverado, let's boil it down to Mike's 3 likes and Mike's 3 dislikes. So what is Mike like? 1, I love the look of this truck from the outside. That black pack with the white paint really makes this truck stand out, and it just looks like a beefy, badass truck. 2, I really like the fact that it's 4-wheel drive. I do a lot of camping, and that would really come in handy when I'm off-road. 3, I like how generally comfortable this truck is. The seats are really supportive, there's a lot of room, and I think this would be a great vehicle for a long trip. So what does Mike dislike? 1, I don't like all the hard plastic. I know that you can get softer touch surfaces if you spend the money, but I would like to see a little bit of an upgrade even at this level. 2, I know I keep harping on it, but I wish there were controls for the stereo on the steering wheel. 3, I don't like the ergonomics of the dashboard. The touchscreen sits in a flat plane just right along with the rest of the dashboard. It's not canted towards me at all, so it makes it really difficult to manipulate when I have to take my eyes off the road and change channels or volume level. So after weighing all the pros and cons of the Silverado 1500, there's still a lot to like here. Yes, you can spend more money, you can get a little softer of an interior, a few more bells and whistles, But if you're looking for a decent, strong, dependable truck that's going to get the job done and won't cost you $70,000 the way some of the really tricked out trucks cost, then the Silverado 1500 is worth a look. I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com, and we will see you down the road.